Hello guys, we are going to talk about routes in Next.js. When we go to let's go to our home page. This is our home page. The moment we refresh, okay, this is our home page. Let's try to move into a route known as news. So when we move to the route known as news, you will see that 404 have been given to us, and it says that this page could not be found. So basically, since this route does not exist in our Next.js, that's why it's giving us this 404. So now let's navigate to our home page. Now let's implement our news route. So in our app folder, we'll create a new folder and name the folder news. Then in the folder, we'll create a file known as page.tsf. Then in the page.tsf, let's type the React snippet, that's RFX. Then afterwards, now let's name it news page. Now when we save it, now let's open our browser and now move to that route. So news, that's the name was news. Okay, news. Now when we press on enter, you will see that our news page have been shown here, which is the thing that we typed here. So basically, we have created our news route, and the way to do is that you have to create a folder in our app directory and name the folder any name that you want. Then underneath it, you create a file, or in the same folder, or yeah, in the folder you create a page.tf. When you open our folder structure, you could see that in the app directory, when we open it, you will see that there is a folder known as news, and in the news folder you see a file known as page. So basically, this is how to implement route in Next.js.